Soothing a sore throat with natural remedies is a common practice around the world. The first line of defense for most of the people is use of natural remedies. Essential oils as natural remedies are becoming more popular these days. In this video we will take a closer look at the top 3 essential oils for sore throats. We will also look at what scientific research reveals about use of these essential oils to soothe your throat. At the end we will focus on the best practices, do's and don'ts, so watch this short video till the end. The top 3 oils are 1. Eucalyptus oil 2. Peppermint oil 3. Lemon oil. Scientists have found all 3 essential oils highly antibacterial. You can choose any one or a blend of all 3 to get relief from a sore throat. All are available online and links are given in the description box for your ready reference. Now let's look at different ways to use the essential oils for soothing your sore throat. The best way is through steam inhalation. Add 5 to 7 drops of your chosen essential oil in a pot full of boiling water used for steam inhalation. Inhale the steam to soothe your sore throat. Steam loosens and releases the mucus and essential oils kill the bacteria, giving you instant relief. Another way that can help is direct inhalation. You can add 2 to 3 drops of essential oil in a cotton ball and inhale. During the night use a diffuser. Put your chosen essential oil in a diffuser as instructed in the manual before going to bed. This will give you sore throat relief during the night. While the above essential oils and many others such as thyme, ginger, lavender, cinnamon and rosemary are good for sore throat, you need to be extra cautious in handling them. Essential oils are highly concentrated plant extracts. Direct topical application can burn your skin. So make sure essential oil doesn't fall on your skin. Since essential oils are good for skin, they are used after diluting in a carrier oil like olive or coconut oil. But for your sore throat you are only inhaling its vapors, so you're safe. If you enjoyed the video then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.